Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix GIFs not working on iPhone. Using animated GIFs is fun and a quick way to relay your message, but it also happens that sometimes animated GIFs suddenly refuse to work. There are various reasons for such mishaps. In this video, I'll tell you some solution, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is disable the reduce motion function. A common tip to solve GIF not working on iPhone is to disable the reduce motion option. For this, click on the settings option. Next, scroll down and choose accessibility. Next, scroll down and choose motion option. And then tap on reduce motion toggle button to disable this feature. And you are done. And the next step is restart the Messages app. Restarting the Messages app will help eliminate many background activities that could be hindering animated GIFs from not working on your iPhone. For this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Once you locate the Messages app, swipe it upwards. This should close the app. After a few seconds, open the Messages app and check whether the problem that GIFs not working on iPhone is resolved. And the next step is free up memory space. Clearing your iPhone's cache is a quick way to create more room for the important stuff. You could be experiencing animated GIFs not working on iPhone because of limited space and indicate speed. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to the app section. Next, go to Safari or you can search it from here. Tap it. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of clear history and website data. Choose it. Then once a pop-up appears for confirmation, tap on the clear history and data to confirm your action and you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone's language and region. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and choose General option. Next, scroll down and choose Language and Region option. To change the settings as per your region, you will also add in correct language from the available options and you are done. And the next step is check internet connection. For this, go to Settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on Wi-Fi toggle button to disable it. Wait for some time and then tap on its toggle button again to enable it and see whether the GIFs are working now and you are done. And also you should open the airplane mode. For this, open the control center and tap on the airplane icon to enable it. Wait for several seconds and then turn it off again and you are done. And the next step is update iOS to the latest version. For this, go to Settings, choose General option, choose Software Update, wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is restore your iPhone to factory settings. This is another powerful mode of fixing GIFs not working on iPhone. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to General option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase All Content and Settings. And then tap on Continue. And then choose Erase iPhone. This will return your phone to its original state. Using this method, we will erase all the data and settings on your iPhone. Please make sure you have backed up all your important data before taking this step. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix GIFs not working on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.